LG Balakrishnan Bros Ltd, an automotive chains manufacturer. Company has more than 86 years of experience in manufacturing chains, sprockets, belts, and more, and market these products under its well-known brand, Roland. These products can be categorized as transmission products and metal forging products. About 83% of the revenue is generated from transmission products and 17% from metal forging products. In fiscal year 2024, company acquired 100% stakes in RSAL Steel Private Limited, which manufactures cold-rolled close annealed, used in chains, which strengthens company's captive requirement. The company was incorporated in 1956 and got public in 1995. They are based in Coimbatore, with more than 4,100 employees and 7,500 workers. Company has 36 manufacturing plants, located pan-India, and one global plant in USA, with production capacity of more than 5 lakh units per day. The market cap of the company is 4,579 crore rupees, and currently trading at 1,459 rupees per share. The company has a 13% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 29% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The profits of the company are also increasing from year to year. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. Promoters are planning to increase their holding to 39 to 40% in the next 12 to 18 months, through preferential allotment or buyback. We can see a good portion of foreign and domestic investments in the company. Company exports to more than 30 countries, with revenue concentration of 84% from domestic and 16% from exports, and aims to increase exports to 17 to 18% by fiscal year 2025. Some clients of the company are ABB Group, Larsen & Toubro, Bosch, Bajaj Auto, TVS, Kawasaki, Tata Motors, Royal Enfield, Honda, and more. About 80% of the revenue is generated from the two-wheeler segment, making it susceptible to any demand slowdown. Company plans to allocate capex of Rs 240 crores in fiscal year 2025, Rs 200 crores in fiscal year 2026, and Rs 200 crores in fiscal year 2027. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.